Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Radio Friendly Neighborhood Tool Bear back again here in the old den of tools. And of course, today is Monday, April 18th, which means it's time for Deals of the Week. Let's jump into it. First off, we're going to go back in the old time machine. If you guys remember last year, I did a video of this Maxpeedingrods generator. They sent this to me. It's a little, 2300 generator, inverter generator, super quiet, yada, yada, yada. We put it through its paces. We opened it up, showed, changed the oil. And honestly, I mean, I'm not going to lie, it was a decent little generator. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. The only problem with it was the absolutely ridiculous price they were asking for it. It made no sense whatsoever. And I could not, because of the price that they were asking, I couldn't recommend this generator to anybody. And I kind of felt bad because it seemed like a nice piece of equipment. But at the end of the day, if it doesn't make sense, well, you know what? It doesn't make sense. What was the price? $730 or something. It was ridiculous. Anyway, they apparently listened. So they just sent me this. This is their new one. Now, this is a 3300 watt. So this is a third again more powerful. 3000 running, 3300 watt. It's got the 30 amp circuit there, the RV circuit on it. So it's got that as well. That's nice. We're going to be putting this to the test this week. I've got a buddy. There's 2 RV parks that we're staying at right now. We're on the side that's got full power hookups and everything else, but we're not allowed to run generators. I got a buddy on the other side. He's got a big, it's got to be a 45 foot triple axle toy hauler, but they can run generators over there. So we're going to take this over there this week and we're going to put it to the test. I'll let you know how it goes. But I got to tell you, just looking at it, it looks like the same kind of build quality. It seems pretty decent. And this price, $595. But there is a save an extra $35. You click on that. That drives it down to $560, which for a 3300 watt generator, that is pretty much unheard of when it comes to a super quiet inverter generator. Yeah, you can get bigger ones. There'll be more power, but they're going to be louder. They're not going to have a full sine wave inverter, yada, yada, yada. This thing seems to be just the killer deal right there. Now, you may want to hold off until after we do the review or anything, but you know what? It's Amazon. You can always get your money back. But the point is that check this out. This is going to be a deal that's going to last until the end of April. It just seems to be a really killer deal. So if you're looking to jump in on something, there's that. Now we're going to head over to Grainger. Grainger's got a couple of Milwaukee deals for us. Battery set and grinder with the Milwaukee 18-volt cordless tools. You're getting the grinder, the 48-11-1862, then the 2880-20. And what you're getting here is you're getting their grinder, the fuel grinder, and 2 of their high output 6.0 batteries. Now this is $258, but that is if you had bought these all individually. That'd be quite the price. You'd be well over $500, some almost close to $600 there. So that's a pretty decent deal. They've also got, if you're looking for the compact router, the fuel router again with the same batteries, they're $258 on that one as well. Now, yes, Welder, this is ending shortly. I don't know if this is the last day or like the last couple days. They still having their 40% off on their welders. This is the biggest sale we've seen. Yes, Welders, they make decent welders. They're budget priced welders. But, usually the sale's $25, $30. This is a 40% off sale for a welder like this. These are phenomenal prices on that. So anyway, we'll put the link and everything down below. So if you've been thinking about it, just a heads up, this is going to be ending shortly. All right, over at Amazon, Husqvarna. This is the bar oil that I use, that I go with. It's normally $9 there, and it's down to, what is it, 15 cents per fluid ounce, 46% off, $4.85. Might want to stock up on it at that price. We've got the Kershaw. This is a nice little knife here. The little folder there. It is normally, it's normally $11. It's on sale for $7.19. Move along. Now, we got 3 Dewalt Atomics, and this one is a phenomenal deal. Now, this is how good the deals are today, or at least some of the deals, because I've been doing this thing where I'm trying to save the best deals to the end of the video. So the fact that this is here, this is that's saying something. This is $161.99 for the Atomic 20 volt. Now, if you remember, Atomic is the brushless, compact, yet full power version in DeWalt's line. So it's as small as a little bit bigger than a 12 volt, but all the full power of the full 20 volt line, and in a brushless tool as well. These are great tools. This is their 3/8 inch cordless hog ring anvil impact wrench. This is normally in fact, the prices I've been seeing are $210, $220 on this, and they've got there for $162 over on Amazon. Now, this is tool only, okay? So this is the kind of thing you're going to buy if you're not already in the DeWalt line, but if you already got DeWalt batteries and you don't have a 3/8 impact, you want to get this. Now, speaking of which, and I'm a big fan of the DeWalt Atomic line. I think the price point on it has been decent, but when you get these sales on it and the size and the brushless nature, they're great tools. This is the cordless drill half-inch tool, the DCD 78B. Now, this is normally $120 some. Not quite as big a sale on this one, taking it down to $96.19, but this is still at least $3 or $4, I think, cheaper than any other price I've seen on it. Then we've got the hammer drill. This thing's normally $130 or thereabouts, and it's down to $115. So we got 3 decent choices there in the Atomic lineup. All right, how about this? We got the Wind bench grinder. I've been looking for these benchtop tools. I gotta tell you, prices on benchtop tools have gotten stupid. So it's good to see some of them coming back down, or at least some sale prices. We got the 6-inch single speed with flexible work light. And yeah, it's a single speed. You know the bear. I usually like my variable speeds, but I'm trying to find the deals that are out there. I can't make them up. So $58 on that. That's down from $62 on that. That is a pretty decent price on that. I think it's probably like the best price I've seen in, is it a year? It's at least 6 months is the best price on that. So I'm pretty happy with that. All right, moving along, we've got the Wind. Now, this is one we've talked about before. I don't care what brand you buy. There's the Harbor Freight brand. There's the Rigid one. There's the Grizzly. There's Wind. There's a dozen other. There's like one company over in one factory in China that makes these, and they rebrand them for all sorts of people. And there's slight differences in the build quality. The Rigid one is a little bit bigger. It's about 25% bigger than this. But the price on them is usually $250, $260, up to $300. This is, of all of them right now, is currently the lowest priced one at under $200 at $195. And I love the oscillating belt and spindle sander on these things. They're phenomenal, okay? It's a great versatile tool because you can get the spindle sander, you get the belt sander, you get the oscillating ability, and it doesn't take up a huge space in your workshop, being a more compact than the Rigid one, if you will. Also, if you're going to get a sander, if you have a belt sander, you need to be using cleaning sticks for it, aka the sander erasers kind of stuff. This will double or triple the life of your sandpaper. I know all you old guys are like, well, of course, stupid, we know that, but not everyone here has been around the block as many times as you. Trust me, you've been around the block a few times. Anyway, the point is, for you newer folks, sander erasers, it's a real thing. It's not a gimmick. You want to get one. $11.35. It's the PowerTech. Good. It's a good quality, basic, eraser kind of thing for a decent price. All right, E-ratchets, the cordless electric ratchets here. Now, Plutia or whatever, they sent me some stuff a while ago. I've never really talked much about them. Every once in a while here and there, but they've got the, the 3/8 ratchet here, coming with 2 batteries. It even has a set of sockets that you will probably never use. But anyway, in the case, but you get the 2 batteries and the charger there for $53.54. That is pretty cheap. If you're looking to try out the whole E-ratchet, cordless ratchet kind of thing, and see if it's for you before diving into the deep end, or maybe you just want something you use every so often, it's not going to be your main go-to thing, or you're just on a budget, $53.54. That's hard to argue with that one. All right, Vac Master. People have been asking about wet dry vacs, and here's the best deal I could find. 12-gallon, 5-peak horsepower. Yeah, with an asterisk on that. A wet dry shop vac there, detachable blower, and it is $89.70. That's pretty cool, especially that it's got the detachable blower aspect. If you guys don't know what I mean, that top part there pops out and becomes a shop blower. You can even, it's corded. You could use it to blow leaves if you wanted. But you see there, it pops out like that. It's a pretty cool little feature. Anyway, $89 on that one, almost $90. All right, Irwin, we got an Irwin. Check this out. The blades on this, $3.46 for a nail-embedded wood cutting blade there. That is a fantastic price on that thing. We got here, they got the 6-inch. How much is the 6-inch one? That one's $8.49. The 12 inch is going to run you. Oh, come on. There we go. $20. So I think it might stick with the 9-inch one then, unless you specifically need it, because that's a pretty good deal on that one. Oh, where'd it go? Come on, where's my sale? Anyway, there we go, on the 6 TPI. All right, moving along. We've got the OEM magnetic foldable trays. They're back. They're on sale again, 25% off, down to $30. These are cool. They're colorful. I love the setup on these. I love the folding aspect of them. $30 on it is one of the best prices we've seen on. We talked about them before. I think they're like 32 or something like that. Usually they sit around just under $36. They've spiked up as high as 40, so seeing them down at this point, that's a pretty good deal. All right, over at Leatherman, they got the cam tool here for 50% off, final sale. Anyway, $15. If you've been thinking about getting one of these cam tools here, that's a nice little carabiner tool. They're kind of cool looking. I don't know if it's something I need, but if you've been looking for one, $15, that's a pretty good deal over there. Also, want to shout out, of course, to Heat Waves. If you guys haven't seen my video on Heat Wave visuals, their sunglasses and their Z87, which is why I'm a big fan of it. They have tons and tons of sunglasses, but on top of that, they have a huge line of Z87. That's protective. That's ANSI specified protective wear. Now, am I saying that you need to buy $50 safety glasses for the shop? No. I'm not arguing that. But look at this. You can get yourself some cool looking tortoise frame sunglasses for $55 that are also Z87 rated. That means if you're working outdoors, if you're working on a location that requires you to wear safety glasses 24/7, at least wear stylish sunglasses at it. I like wearing them all day long, because that way I just know that, my eyes are protected. I'm out here, there's dust and whatnot. We're always like picking up a tool left and right, and I don't have to go digging through my toolbox or looking for safety glasses. I just know that no matter what I'm doing, if I stop at the range, if I'm working on the truck, if I'm just driving around town, I've got my eyes protected. I wear the polarized ones, you can get them with the little side shield, so you got full wraparound protection. Anyway, we got discount code DEN10. It'll be down below. Save 10% off on those. All right, we got the Ryobi. We're over at Home Depot. Check out this combo. You're getting the 7 1/4 inch compound miter saw and the orbital jigsaw, tool only on this. Okay, so that is, by the way, that is the OnePlus lithium-ion cordless miter saw. So that is a battery operated. The bear can't talk today. Battery operated. Both of them are battery operated saws. $158. That is 36% off. We also got the Milwaukee. Check this. Now, this is a Cinderella deal. It's going to end at midnight. And it is looking at, 44% off, taking it down to $139. Great batteries there. Big fan of the 12-volt battery system there. Those are not inexpensive batteries. That's probably $130 worth of batteries by itself. All right, we got the Shockwave Impact Duty Alloy Set. If you like the bit sets from Milwaukee, this is one to jump on. Again, ends at midnight, saving 57% on this, taking it down to $30. If you look at that, that's 2 boxes there. That's $15 per pack. That's a pretty good price point. I'm happy when they're below $20. That's a good deal. And we've got the high-speed wood spade bits, 13-piece from Milwaukee. It's 52% off, taking it down to $19.97. Now let's jump over to Walmart. Check that out. If you're in the Hart 40-volt line, I am darn tempted to pick this up. Come on, who doesn't want a backpack blower to really, lay down the business out there? Come on. $188. You can sit there. It's got the little pistol grip on it. Oh, that's going to be fun. I'd have no problem getting the kids to do the leaves and stuff with this. If they got to walk around with that, blasting that stuff, they would absolutely do it. I'd have to take it away from them. Anyway, that's normally a $300 tool. It's on sale right now. I think they're clearing it out down to, no, it's a rollback price, my bad. $188 on that. Also, I strongly consider this for deal of the day. So if you didn't know this, but Walmart's got, through the online system there, they've got Ego power tools. And in fact, they've got reconditioned Ego outdoor power tools. This is the Ego LM2101 FC cordless lawnmower, 21-inch, reconditioned for $309. Just so you know, that's like a $500 mower. This thing comes with, in the reconditioned form, it comes with the charger and the battery. The battery alone is $150, the cheapest price I could find. Throw the charger on there, you're looking at $200 easy. So you're getting a mower for $109. And Ego is, as I said, I think the Cadillac of the homeowner grade, outdoor power equipment. If you want something that just works every time, that's reliable, has enough power to get the job done, I love Hart. That's what we have, but Ego is fantastic. All right, now we've got some your mileage may vary. That's kind of it's deal finding, not deal getting. Okay, over at Lowe's we got the Irwin Classic Chalk Reel in blue. Normally, what is it? $10, $12, something like that. Some stores are showing up for it. Not a lot of them. $1.67. $1.67. Now you see a lot of the stores they're already sold out, so it might be kind of hard to find. But we'll put a link down below. And then also we have over at Walmart we got the Hart. This is the 5-tool combo kit with the impact, the drill, the dust buster, the recip, the flashlight, 2 bats, charger, and a bag there for $100. And yes, we've seen reports of these showing up for $50. Usually, though, you're finding them for $99. That's 50% off. As you can see, though, a lot of places blowing it out. They're out of stock at $50, but you might be able to grab it at that price. So, go out there and look for them. All right, and then deal of the day: California Air Ultra Quiet 2 horsepower. This is just a fantastic air compressor here. This thing is just a phenomenal. They're the inventors of I want to say the inventors, but they're the ones who set the stage for ultra quiet, oil-free air compressors that are reliable and worth the money. This is a $485 compressor, okay? This all day long, and it's on sale. Usually it's selling for around $350, something like that. So at this price, at $282, that is a fantastic deal on this compressor. Look at these specs on this. It's under 70 decibels, oil-free, 2 horsepower, 6.4 CFM at 40 PSI, 5.3 at 90. All right, this thing is a beast for a 10-gallon air compressor. It is fantastic. All right, and last but not least, just a little fun to end the day. How about this? We got one of our neighbors showed this to me. He had it. This thing is insane, and it's not that small. It's a 1/5 scale 4-wheel drive from I can't even pronounce this, Arma. This thing is a beast. He was buzzing up and down with 55 plus miles per hour. Apparently he had some mod that took it up to like 90 or something like that. Oh, this thing is ridiculous. Now it's $969. This is not cheap. I know a lot of you into the RC stuff, but they have, if you use code SPRING, ends on 4/22, so you got a couple days on this, it'll knock $250 off of that. That's a pretty fantastic savings if you're looking to get into stuff like this. Anyway, that's all the Bear has for you. Let me know what you think the best deal of the day was, if the Bear nailed it there. If not, if you think there's a better deal out there, put it down below. Anyway, I hope you all had a fantastic Easter. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.